Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to set up Mailchimp. First, you will create a free Mailchimp account. Simply provide your email address and choose a strong password. Next, verify your email by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Finally, complete your profile details, including your business name and physical address, which is a requirement for email marketing. This initial setup takes only a few minutes. Now let's build your audience. You can easily import existing contacts using a CSV file, which is a common spreadsheet format. Once imported, segment your audience into groups based on factors like engagement levels, demographics, or past purchase history for more targeted messaging. Additionally, create customizable sign-up forms to capture new subscribers directly from your website or social media platforms, growing your list continuously. Next, we will design your first campaign. Begin by choosing a campaign type, such as a regular email, a landing page, or an automated series. Mailchimp offers hundreds of pre-designed templates, or you can build your own using the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Remember to craft compelling subject lines to encourage opens and write engaging content that resonates with your audience, aiming for a clear call to action. Finally, it is time to send and track your results. Always review your campaign thoroughly before sending it to your selected audience to catch any errors. You can schedule your email to be sent at an optimal time for maximum engagement, perhaps mid-morning on a Tuesday. After sending, analyze the detailed campaign reports to understand key metrics like open rates, click-throughs, and unsubscribes, which helps you refine future strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.